grocery shop my garden with me. Today I'm just getting a couple things. If you don't know me, my name's Jessica and I share my journey of growing a garden. And I have a small garden. I have about 1/4 acre and we're adding on everything edible. So fruits, vegetable, herbs, eggs, and I take you along with me to see how much everything is. So today, let's check on eggs first. Did you lay any eggs? All right, let's check for some eggs in here. Not seeing any eggs here. All right, no eggs in this coop either. Just the fake eggs. Did you jump the fence and lay an egg again?
No.
Let's go check. All right, Sparkles likes to lay over here. So let's see if she laid an egg today. There we go. So we have 1 egg. All right, so far we're at about 33 cents. The other thing I wanted to get today is some guava. So we have pink guavas right here. So let me cut that down. So this would be about 50 cents. And then we have another one here, but it's all gnawed on. So I might give this one to the chickens. So let's not count that one. There's this one too, but it's kind of greenish still, so we'll leave that. There's lots of avocados on the tree as well, but we have lots of bacon avocados on the counter, so no avocados today. Okay, so today's harvest, we'll probably get more eggs later, but for now we have 33 cents for the egg. That's going off the cheapest I can find organic free range eggs in my area before tax, so 33 cents, and this is about 50 cents for the guava, so a total of 83 cents before tax. So with tax this would be 89 cents total. Thanks for coming out and harvesting with me. If you like these videos, I have some more on YouTube, and I'm going to start creating a series of daily harvests, just keeping it realistic and how much I'm actually growing on our little homestead with 1/4 acre. Happy gardening, everyone.